Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove and clean a bottom plate on Krups Intuition coffee machine. And to do this, first we'll need to grab the bottom plate and then simply pull it towards us. Now inside we can remove the main plate by just picking it up like this, and then you'll be able to access all of the insides of that plate by pulling it right here. It will make cracking noises, but as long as you're careful, nothing bad should happen to your plate. And here you will be able to clean it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.